Adam, a very quick one. Imona Dimma, Ihene, and Ekuye. I when I complain, and several complaints of Ndene Brumadaga Tiger Base. I say no governor see Monya arrest, governor see detain Monya, governor the interest in this matter, governor the interest in this case. And I drop Garia governor. Always in the lawyer actually for the person. I say, hey, what case governor? Even the Tiger Base hey, governor did this case, governor is interested, government house is interested, the lawyer also. The lawyer also. So we have been getting these reports. But unfortunately, this time around, I think we cannot keep quiet anymore. We cannot keep quiet anymore. This man not seen our contract on our ICC, not our warehouse. Lere ndori anine bukro ha, the engineer, the contractor, the ginozo, the manager, buruha, je dumpo ha na Tiger Base. Since January 15, nda just support last week. Nda just support what is last week? This week you can da. They spent 2 months and na Tiger Base because na the man say, governor, she dump one there. Governor, she dump one there. While at the end of the day, foul, when governor, she dump anybody. Look at them there. Look at them. Leha, ukono chidozie, chijoki ike, uche zeal. The man say ni hawo, anukwam na that man udi one how. The same area, kahachi chapota. Olu. Olu, kindred self. Community, the same community. So the man no say how contract to that ICC. E buru maka. Gini mere. Na say na why that ICC full. Okay. Why full? Oju who did the storekeeper because so whenever na park here in every organization, in every company, in every whatever, and when storekeeper, now they in charge of ihe arụ. Ome arrested. Even basic age the storekeeper. I say, but happen storekeeper. Happen storekeeper. A bruise ordinary workers. Book na Tiger Base. For 2 months. It was Zugana Chide Kenyerenda who brain. Habia me wake up. Or one day happen. Because Habia na drop. I be bell. I say, hey, governor is interested. Here, kwa KC governor. Onye be bell. I say, here, kwa KC governor. Get a governor. They have cha. Umaka mapiadia. Until they make a call. This thing about governor, governor has to be very mad at that man. Can you not drop right here for? I must have to commend the governor for this. Because probably they are aware. But many people on a Tiger Base today. Eja had governor. Dump one at Tiger Base. So, to Sarami Hakoro governor Imo State. To Sarami Hakoro governor Imo State. Some people are dropping his name. Many people, only one man has seen up there now. One APC chairman can say again. Adopt for the past 6 months na Tiger Base. Man, I'm not get released here today because I wanted to follow up on the case. I see that I get released here today. About 60-year-old man. Adopt na Tiger Base. Now I say no governor she dump where. So governor should go to Tiger Base himself. Not sending Shaba. Not sending Ola. Not sending anybody. The governor should go to Tiger Base himself. Many people are dumped to there because some people in the government say, governor, she may arrest. Governor, she detain. That is what we are suffering in Igbo State. They are dropping the name of the governor. So I want to commend the governor for securing the release of Nda. I don't proceed 2 months. And then Barbara, that man. Governor. She dumped one there for 2 months. Which means, many things these people will be a governor. Which are yes! Most of them are this government or many things happen even at this government. The governor might not be aware, like or they are aware of this one. Because some when that hope to hear to governor she boss self the man. So why did you dump people there selling that more say dump for what? It's a stealing matter. A stealing case is valuable. What one court for the past 2 months? The man and a penny cost can will cost. I am again Ejicho Makadi and Asan Hagan about 1 year. Then after 1 year, Hanochana na Tiger Base. The next year, Hebrew Haga prison. Dump Zahana prison finally. Here we hear Mado Nemumunye. Here we hear Mado Nemumunye. Umunegi. Check his own name and dozen our woman. Check his own name and dozen our woman. When you're in a contract, you are feeling like God. Ordinary contract. Ordinary contract. no matter the billions or the millions you want to get there, does not give you the authority to treat a human being like shit. I want to thank the governor for securing the release of these guys. Now, ya jiraki ya ga Tiger base. Ama piala many people there. Now, hana governor she may arrest. Thank you very much. Finally, in the Tiger base, mmadu ga-akpọta mmadu na Tiger base sigi dobere m onye a 6 months gi dowe. Dowere m onye a 3 years gi dowe. Gi na asị na onye ahụ shege mmadu shege. Onye ahụ na-enye gị order, ọwụ ya superior. Onye ahụ na-enye gị order, ọ CP. Onye ahụ na-enye gị order, ọwụ AIG ko DIG ko Inspector General Police. Onye ahụ na-enye gị order, especially ndị anọ na Tiger base. Ọwụ kwa Ola o, ka m kwukwe ya now. Ola is innocent of this one. Ola is innocent of this one. Asụkwa. Onye nke a, asụkwa wudo onye nke ndị akpọrọ aha. This man gwara gị mapia ụmụaka gị mapia aha. The man say I should keep you here. The man on say I should keep you here. Is the man law? Is the man a court of law? Is the man a judge or a magistrate? Why you people exhibiting recklessness in this society? Can you know about the mother? I bet you human rights in the mother of this state. As a police officer, a bloody civilian. I say keep this place for 2 months because on a go, he keep the person for 6 months, 10 months, he keep because he's giving you money. At the end of the day, you turn back to start demanding for money from under because you still want them to give you money. I want to commend Ola, Ola, you don't try you. You don't try for this matter. You try. Where? You try. Where? And I want to commend the governor too for securing the release of these guys. Governor me ofuma anye keneye. Mometro kono ofuma ayi ekwe. Maka no ọrụ anyị ka anyị na-alụ. Ndewo.